Here's exactly how to convert a video into audio, step by step. Now, this is clipchamp.com. It's free and it's very easy to use, even for complete beginners. After you create an account, this is what you'll see. Click on Import Media. Then you add your videos like this. Now, you can click on the plus like this, or you can drag it down like that. So let's use this video as an example. Let me play it to let you hear the audio.
Who are you talking to right now? Who is it you think you see?
So here's how to get the audio from a video. Go to the top right corner, click on Export, then click on Audio Only. Click on Save to your computer. I'll just save it to my desktop. Then I click on Save. And now we have the audio saved to our computer. So let me play it and show you.
Who are you talking to right now? Who is it you think you see? Do you know how much I make a year?
Now, the audio file will be in M4A format. So if you want it to be in other format like say MP3, just go to Google and search for M4A to MP3 converter. Then you'll find a list of websites that you can use for free. So let's just use this as an example. We upload our file. You can convert this to MP3. Or if you click on this, you can choose any other audio formats that you want. So let's click on Convert. Then we'll click on Download. I'll save it to my desktop. And now you can see we have the audio file saved in MP3. So that's how to convert a video into audio.